getting tired of driving certain people, and think about it, you have your kid, right? Are you getting tired of driving your kid doing something that they might not want to do right now? Of course not, right? A bigger level of leadership is that you can't just be a self-interest leader. You know, we are all self-interest, right? It's me, it's my team, right? Those are levels. But then, can you get to a level where it's not just self-interest, it's really caring about everybody's well-being? Because you have to probably say something 20 times, what if that individual actually does it? So that has to be a mentality development internally in your mind. Because if you don't have that, you're not going to talk to people. You're not going to have the patience, because most people have no vision to make money. And it's instant gratification. Because when you sell, and I'm telling you both parts, right? Number one is the leadership aspect of you, but also that there's a practical aspect of it. You don't understand the people who actually drive people and take time to drive people are the people who are going to make the most money. The money is there. If you drive your people and you learn how to do that, and you're not being tired of driving your people, because the ultimate purpose is also, I'm gonna make a lot of money. So now I'm trying to make you understand, you make money with sales, and sales you need what? A lot of people. And out of all these people, what do you really we're trying to get out of these people? Few of them become leader. Not sales leader, like leader. So it comes down to what level of leadership do you want to accomplish? You know, do you just want to run a few woman shop, or do you want to run a much bigger business?
JW here. If you like my content, comment below and download my JW Just Win app. See you next time.